Today is June the 6th, and it is raining once again. I hate to be complaining, but my goodness. Rain, rain, go away. Please don't come back tomorrow or any other day. I'm just kidding. But anyway, tomorrow is my garden party. And I have the garden ready for a party. I have flowers that are trying to survive because they haven't seen sun in a while. I have my flower garden full of flowers. Pollinators are loving it. I came out today to perhaps cut my grass because it's been raining so much. Haven't had a chance to cut my grass for the party tomorrow. But that doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Got my vegetable garden ready. Look at my pond there. Or the bird feeder, or the watering, whatever you want to call it. Potatoes, coleus back there. There's all kinds of things growing. My blueberries are situated in the back here with the netting. Grapes forming on the trees, just beautiful. Tomorrow is supposed to rain as well. Not sure if this party will happen or not. This weather pattern has not let go. And I guess I'm just on here ranting about it because I'm kind of tired. Not sure if I'll be doing garden parties anymore with this sporadic weather. My beautiful lilies are doing its thing. As well as over there. Beautiful. I love the lilies. They give me color even if the sun isn't out. Well, I'm going to take my phone back into the screen house because I don't want it damaged. I got the veranda all set up for the party. I am praying for the party is from 10 to 1. It's not scheduled to rain until 10. It's very low chances, 30%, this and that. That's what it says. I was told today that I had till 9 to get out here to do the grass, but it is 6:54, not even 7 o'clock. And I got all dressed and ready and got out here thinking I was gonna beat it, and the weather forecast was wrong. So I say all this to say it's a beautiful morning. It is. It really is beautiful. Everything out in the garden looks ready for a party. Unfortunately, the rain is not done. It wants to continue to do its thing. And there's nothing I can do about it. I'm going to pray that tomorrow will work out. If not, we'll just have our gathering in here, all 30 of us. I doubt it. If we can fit 30 people, it's not going to be. Well, it might be. It might be at least 26 in this little space. The plan was to have this open, have the different rooms of the garden open for people to go out and just enjoy the weather. Can't control the weather. I wish I could. Lord knows I wish I could. I just, in my mind, assume June is going to be beautiful. Let's have it in June. But June 6th, and we just still cannot get rid of this rain. So, guys, sorry to be a bearer of bad news, but such is life. Such is life. All right. See what happens tomorrow.